So last class what we discussed?
Yes, yes, Sri. We discussed a lot of high level stuff at SAP. What all the functional point of view and basis point of view and all the modules, CR
Yes.
and yeah, yeah, CR and
Yes. Okay.
SRM, PLM and all those things. Yep.
Okay. Fine. Okay. And now we can starting as a. So again, once we had recap. Okay. So yesterday we discussing as these topics. Now our agenda is today we can discussing regarding to overall architectures. Yesterday starting as a religious with architecture also, but again what's the gap? So now coming to an SAP. So what is the SAP first version is releasing?
R1.
SAP
R1.
R by 1. Okay, the product name is one year is introducing as a 1972.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is meaning of SAP? Again, what is meaning of, so last class we discussed here, what is meaning of SAP? What is meaning of SAP?
Systems application program.
Yeah, system application product you can check as a program also.
Oh.
It's an abbreviation. Okay. Again, what is meaning of R?
R means release. I think, yeah.
Not release, is a real time.
Real time, okay.
Okay. One is nothing but?
A presentation layer. It is a front end.
Yes, it's a presentation layer. You can call it as a GUI.
GUI.
Okay, what is the GUI? Graphical user interface. You can call it as a front end. You can call it as a application also.
No.
Okay, so yesterday we are discussing this. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So how many types of GUIs is available? Okay. So see how many types of GUIs is available. Last class we discussed. Okay. So yesterday discussing how many types of GUIs is available. So based on the operating system, so SAP GUI is divided into 3 types. What are 3 types here?
For Windows, for Linux and
yes.
Linux.
So I'm going to that. This is the first certification question. Okay, when you go for certification question, it's one of the questions. Okay, how many types of GUI is available?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. So first one is SAP GUI for Windows. What is the meaning of SAP GUI for Windows?
For Windows applications. I mean.
So means I want to practice in SAP software through Windows operating system. You can installing as a SAP GUI for Windows. Suppose my system is a I have like Mac operating system or Linux operating system or Linux operating system. Okay, RS OS 400. Okay, RS AX.
Okay.
Other than Windows, any operating system, I want to practice as SAP. So you can installing as a SAP GUI for Java. Okay. So these two are for consultant based.
Okay.
Okay. So what is the purpose of this? SAP GUI for HTML.
It's like a web-based browser. Yeah.
It's a purely browser-based. Like you want to access it through Internet Explorer, I can go for as a Mozilla Firefox, and you have to go for Google Chrome. Okay. So these are the things we're discussing. Now here, how are we downloading these softwares?
Yeah, SAP Marketplace.
Yes. Okay, so where you downloading these all softwares is certified. So you can downloading as SAP Marketplace. This is one of the like your Play Store, like your App Store, like your Mac. So you can downloading as any type of SAP related. You can downloading it here.
Yeah.
So last class you're discussing as a how we can downloading, and after that extraction is done.
Yeah, no, extraction is done. I did not install it already. I think.
Okay. Then I want to make a presenter and please share the screen.
Okay.
So now we want to discussing is how to installing as an app, SAP app.
Okay.
Okay. Now you want to get the request. Please share the screen now.
Yeah, I'm going to share it.
Yes, fine. Okay, then go for a software now. Go for the path. Presentation 1. Exactly, correct one. Presentation 1.
GUI, Windows, no,
Yeah,
Windows.
Windows Win32. Same thing, like how to installing is app, same thing here. Last one, setup all is there, na? Last file, setup all.
Yeah, yeah.
Last one.
Oh, sir. Oh, last, sorry,
I
yeah.
think it's not extracted perfectly. We say 50% only.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's a ratio. You see the 42, 50, 66%. Okay, let me try once again. If you have any errors, is there any second? Okay. So let's see what happened last time. It's a 42%, 50%. Things. Just go back. Just I click on and check the properties. No. See the zip file only. Where is the file? After extraction, you want to get one file. Where is the file? This is again zip file only. Where is the file?
One second. This one only.
Just press the under SharePoint will be there. No, just go back. No, just go back. Go back.
Yeah.
Go back.
I am here.
Yes. Again, press the file. Just press the file. Keyboard, you can press the file.
5?
No, not this. File, just file. Press the file. Under SharePoint folder, you will be having the software. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Down.
Okay.
Scroll down. Scroll down.
Yeah.
Scroll down.
Yeah, this one?
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Oh, that is the one.
This is the unzip file. Previous one is the zipping. This is unzip.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, presentation one. Yeah, go for GUI, Windows, and now last one. Now he's getting the see the difference. Previous.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Setup.
Okay. Now select the setup R. Yeah, see here. So already discussed now. So it is called when you're downloading, it's saying it's a presentation layer. When installing, what you can call it the front end.
Yeah.
See, front end installer. Okay.
Right.
Even you can call it when you do it, you can do GUI. Three
Right.
namings is there.
Right.
Okay. Just click on next.
Select
all. I will explain what are the components. So below is there a select all. Below select all, this select all is there. Select all.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Below. Yes.
Yeah.
Now click on next.
This is the plot.
Yes.
Next.
No problem. Next. Click on next. Click on next. Next. Yeah. Next. Yeah.
Yeah.
Registration going. Click some time. Okay.
Yeah.
Just going on after issue. Now again, I want able to share my screen now. So
Yeah.
we continue.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you able to see my screen now?
Yeah. I am. Yes.
Now see here. So you're discussing as a SAP first release, that is a SAP R by 1. So,
Right.
so here, this one, what are the advantages? Okay. So what are the advantages of GUI?
Yeah, I mean, easy to
user interface.
Yeah. Easy to manual,
So increase the user interface. You can just say it is user friendly.
Correct.
Okay. So when you log in, you want to change the languages. Okay. Even you want to change the password. Okay.
Right.
Even you want to change the font size. Okay. So just user friendly.
Correct.
Okay. These are disadvantages here. Okay. What is the advantage of GUI? GUI, you want storing any data?
No.
For example, I'm taking yesterday discussing. Now, in my mobile phone, I had installing as a Facebook application. My mobile
Right.
phone. So I want to chatting with my friend. Okay. I want to sending some messages from my friend. Okay. Suppose I want to uploading some videos and some images. Where we store this overall data?
It's in the somewhere in the database.
Where is the database?
Database will be in the backend. I mean, yeah.
It's okay. Where is the location? Now, where is the app is located? Again, my question is, where is your app?
App is in app store.
No, that's okay. That app is available into your mobile phone.
Okay, yeah. Now, if I am downloading it, that application is in my mobile hard drive, wherever the space is.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is okay. Then once you want installing, after that, then you can start the chatting now.
Right.
Yeah. So now I want to, in my mobile phone, I have a charting and message everything. Where is store these all messages?
Okay. This messages also. I think. I mean, okay.
Yeah,
FP
this
database.
database only. But here means what happened? You are only end users. You don't have overall rights.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
How we can say? I will let you know the examples also. For example, so I have opened the Facebook app today.
Right.
So I want to adding as a unknown 100 members.
Right.
What I'm doing here?
Unknown
100 members. And then what happened? Automatically my account is black.
Oh, okay.
So now my question is how to unblock my account.
Oh, to unblock. Okay.
So that means what happened? So you're not able to do any changes because so you want to getting one message also. Sir, your account is blacked for 24 hours or 48 hours, automatically unblocking that 24 hours like that.
Oh, okay.
So, sir, then I want to get the question again. Sir, I want to uploading my pics and I want to changing everything, what type of language I want and what is the group message I want. Everything is available. But you don't have this access to the security reasons because you are only end user prospect.
Got it. Yeah.
Okay. So here, coming the same thing, what I'm doing here. So I had installing as SAP GUI, SAP app in my laptop.
Right.
So this is for only app is for what is the G purpose of GUI? Only for access purpose. There is no storage.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay.
And drawbacks of GUI is for only for there is no storages.
Right.
Okay. So that's why SAP guys are thinking using as a one more layer. What is the layer? SAP R byte. I'm introducing as a at 1979. Okay. So again here, R means real time. And 2 is nothing but 2 layers. What are 2 layers now? I have presentation layer is there, GUI is there. Where we store the overall data is nothing but database here. Okay. So you want to starting any project, compulsory how many ends is required? Front end
and back end. Minimum
back
2.
end.
Yeah.
Yeah. So front end is the
SAP GUI.
Back end is the
database.
It is supporting as any type of databases. Okay. Like Oracle, SQL, MaxDB. It's a database dependency. Okay.
Right.
It is supporting as a overall databases. Okay. So again here, what are the drawbacks of SAP R byte? Okay, then again, now we're using as the latest one R byte 3. Okay, I will explain the results. Okay, now what are the drawbacks is there? So now our picture is, see the picture. Now I have presentation layer is there. Okay, I have database layer is there.
Right.
R by 2 now, 2 layers. Okay, that is you can calling as a GUI.
Okay.
Presentation layer and
database.
Okay, fine. Okay, now I want, this is my calculation. Now here, just assume as a, so this is the architecture for SBA bank. Okay, so this is for SBA database. And this is the SBA, so SBA GU, SBA app. Okay, now here, so in overall India, how many customers is available in India?
The billions.
Just assumption. So you have 120 crore population is there in India. India is one of the biggest bank. Now we see all by like Bank of Mysore, everything is integrated. Just assume as a
25 crore users.
25 of customers is available into the.
All right.
How to checking as so that is available here only. The SBA database only. Okay. Now, how to check the account balance?
Yeah, I mean, you through
So how to check the account balance?
I mean, you
So you want to go for the SBI application,
right,
SBI app. So enter the username and password.
right,
Then after that, directly that request is hitting into the
right.
where we hitting SBI
It's going to
database.
database. Yeah, the middle layer we
So
need.
in SBI database, how much customer information is there?
25 crore. Right.
25 crores of user customers is available into the.
Hmm.
After this, how many I want record I want?
Only one.
I want only one record because it's I don't have remain. So out of this 25 crores of tables, I want to retrieve as a my account details.
Right.
Okay, so everything is retrieved from the database. So again, you want to get the response from the database to GUI.
Right. Yes,
Okay, so now daily, okay, only one guy is okay, fine. But daily, how many members are checking as how many members are checking as account balance daily?
minimum.
Not for account balance also.
Yeah.
So more than that, like just for example, internet guys, bank employees,
Yeah.
okay, ATM machines.
Yes, transfer. There are a lot of transactions, many transactions.
Okay, cash with the other machines. Everybody is logged on. Everybody hitting into the database.
Right.
Then what happened?
Yeah.
So then what happened? You want to access data from the database? It is very slow.
Right. Right. You know, the transactions should be the same. Yeah. The network, everything. Hello. 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 Hello.
So hello. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. Internet
Yeah.
connection.
Yeah.
So now what happened? What is drawback here? High response time.
Right.
Means I'm just now logging now. It will take us 20 to 30 minutes. Means nobody log on.
Correct. Okay.
So that's why in between those are providing as one more layer. This is our layer.
Yeah.
That is the application layer.
Application. Yeah.
Okay, that is the meaning of SAP R by 3.
No.
Okay. No, SAP R by 3. So again here, R means
Real time.
real time. 3 means 3 layers. 3 layers comma sequence. First
Right.
of all, presentation layer.
Application
Okay.
layer.
Application layer.
And data.
And database. In calling it the server house. Instead of layer, you can calling it the server house. Both are equal.
Okay.
Okay. Now, how I want to log in? So now, how R/3 architecture is looking like? So I have presentation layer is there, application layer is there,
Data.
and data is there. So now coming to prospective here. So how user is logged on? Okay. Now again here, so log on to the presentation layer. So now you have to request this book application.
Okay.
Application to you have to put the database.
Data.
Again the requeuing also database to application layer and application to presentation layer.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the simple architecture of SAP R by 3. So it introducing this is the one of the successful from SAP R by 3. Okay. So because these two are is made by an IBM company only. So this is introducing as a 1990. Yes. After 20 years only they get a successful product. Till there is no successful. So access SAP R by 8 on the successful product for the SAP.
Okay.
After that only those are starting as releases. Okay. What are the releases? I will explain this.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a simple one.
Yes.
So our system. Okay, now again, this is you can calling as a architecture, SAP R by 3 architecture.
Architecture. Yeah.
Okay. Again here, sir, you have to installing this all in single machine or multiple missions or in different missions. Where are you installing this? So that you have to go for as a content configuration.
Right.
Okay, this is simple SAP R. Even so, what are the releases? What is the difference between ECC and those things we will be discussing?
Mm.
Let me go for that. So till now it's clear.
Yep. Yep. Very clear. Very good. Very good.
Now you want to go for a versions. So you want to read this first of all ERP and those specially discussed in these modules and those evaluation.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the products.
Yeah.
Okay, so till now what we discussed now. So when you're looking at SAP R by 1,
Yep. R by
SAP
3.
R by 1 is 1971.
Yeah.
So 1970 the both of the releases, and this is for
R by.
and now what is the successful product?
92. R by 3. Yeah.
So it's a R by 3 is a 1990.
92. Okay.
After that, then only start the releases. Here, R by 3, 4.3,
Yeah.
okay, 0.5B, okay, 4.6. These are just one by one versions.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Till this is also successful product from the. After that, Oracle is also came into picture.
Oh, okay.
So at that time, what was I thinking? Yes, so it is very slow. Then we want to go for new evaluation. So that by SAP was thinking those are new as a new integration. So at that time only those are starting as a ERP concept. When you're starting as ERP,
2004. Yeah.
so 2004, those are starting as a one naming. The version is the naming. What is here? ECC.
Yeah.
So ECC ERP. So still every abbreviation. Now here SAP ECC. What is meaning of ECC? Enterprise ERP core component, RS enterprise core component. Okay.
Okay.
Two namings is there. ERP core component and again here 2005 SAP ECC and okay. After that, those are starting as a NetView Advanced. That is a 2009 articles.
Oh, okay.
Okay. After the solution manager, after that SAP for HANA.
All right. Right.
This is the version history. Okay, so again, I want to give the evaluation also. Now, SAP current architecture is SAP again, and R by 3 also you have some drawback. So that's not is a performance based only. So that's why they will go for new one also.
Yeah. I think 7.4 or 7.5.
So the 7.5 is the current version.
Yeah.
7.5 is the current version.
Right.
Now is the SAP for HANA.
Yeah. Yes. For yeah.
I will explain what is the meaning of SAP for.
Okay.
Yes. So the HANA code, just a boost up I want to give this because of the architecture point of view. Because now anybody is asking what is the SAP current architecture is by SAP for HANA.
Yeah. Therefore, okay.
is overall an administration part.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, let's.
It's not available. I will go for them later. Okay.
Yeah.
Again, SAP R by 3 also will be having some data. So that's why in 2014, they're introducing as a new product that is as a SAP S by 4 HANA. Okay. Again, here this is also coming. So S stands for
Oh.
fourth stand for fourth generation.
Okay.
This is also you have to learning for architectural. This is the fourth generation.
Fourth generation. Okay.
Okay. So fourth generation of SAP. Even you can say yes, a next generation.
Next
But
generation.
most of the cases you can fourth generation. So that's
Oh.
why. So till 2020, SAP approved the ruling as SAP HANA is ruling for So that's why all companies are migrating to SAP HANA. So very latest.
Okay.
Okay, 2012 is but success is 2014 onwards.
Okay.
Okay. So this is now you want to learning as a basis now. So that's why you want to go for R by 3 only.
Right. Yep.
Now coming to here, sir, what is meaning of application layer? So it is discussing as a presentation is for only accessing purpose, database is for only storing purpose, and data purpose also. As a basis, everybody is working on a application server only.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, that is our major goal. Even you are installing it, this is only.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Till now you are installing this. Don't installing this. Don't touch this. The installation topic you are including application as well as database.
Right.
Okay. Now, what is meaning of application?
Kind of mediation between the front end and the back end, where you get the request. I mean, at the high level, like you get it facilitates to process your request, gets your request, user request, and go to the database and get the data.
Yeah, that's okay. That's it. But the definition is okay, but it's not like that. Okay.
I know.
So,
I know.
Okay, application layer and server is nothing. But you say, okay, sir, as for your diagram, you can say the connection between the presentation and that's okay. But it's not like that. You say everything is including the server only. Okay, now see here. So application layer or application server is nothing, right? To run your business application.
Yeah.
Okay. To run your business. What is buying the SAP software? So we're discussing.
Right. Yeah. There are a lot of functional, business, finance, maybe this.
No, not also. I'm discussing application. These applications.
SRM, SCM, PLM. Yeah. CM.
So these applications to run our business applications.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. To the particular server base. Okay. And sharing the information to multiple members. Sharing information to multiple members at a time.
Right.
Okay, is called as a application server. This is the technical definition.
Got it.
Okay. So based on the coding, the application servers are divided into two types. Okay. So one is for application server for ABAP, and next one is the application server for Java.
No.
Okay. Now we are going for discussing as a application server for ABAP. So what is the difference between the application server ABAP and Java is nothing but. So application server for ABAP, you can access through shortcuts. What is a shortcut?
Okay, please code. Yeah.
Okay. So you can access as I had a practicing application server through transition. You can call it. This is the application for ABAP. Okay. So application for Java is nothing but access through just navigation.
Okay. Got it.
For example, how to creating as a Facebook user ID? During the navigation. So I'll go for www.facebook.com
and yeah, you
after that you have to go for so and so page. After that you enter the username.
Yeah,
Yes.
new user will be there.
Name, last name, email, everything, and just click on submit. Then automatically you're getting his username and password sorted. Then after that you can log in. So you see everything is navigation here.
Right.
Using any codes, you're using any shortcut.
No, right.
You are using any commands also.
Right.
For example, so how to creating as SAP user ID means what is the shortcut you're using? Go for SU01. So I'm using a standard term.
Right.
Okay,
Yeah.
like I want to use some codes.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is fine. So okay, there is some codes. Then so what happened automatically? So means I want to access as some time to go can go for application. Java is nothing but purely navigation part.
Navigation part. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So fine. That's good. Okay. Fine. Now this course you're running as a application for ABAP only. Again, you want to go application for ABAP. So you have to discussing one more. Okay. So now again here. So application server. Okay, application server for ABAP is dividing the different partition. The partitions you can calling as a instances. What we call instances.
Okay.
Is now one application server I want to divide into different partitions. The partitions you can calling as a what a technical name you can calling as a instances.
Okay.
Like one application server, how many instances you have to configure is nothing but totally 100.
Okay.
So as a business consulting during his installation, so you want to give the number, instance number. Okay, then only installation is going on. RS this is your customer. Anything you want to take in between this. Okay, the range is available into the 0099. So I'm taking best example. What is being given this day? For example, I have my computer is there. My computer will be having as a hard disk, around 1 terabyte hard disk is available. Okay. So now, by default during his installation of Windows, what happened? By default you're getting a one drive. What a drive is there? I'm not doing any partition. By default you're getting one drive. What a drive you doing?
C drive. Yeah.
Okay. So in C drive, what I'm doing here, I had installing as an operating system. I had installing as a movies. I had installing as a videos. I had to call videos and everything. Now my requirement is, I want to searching as a so and so Kannada movies.
Right.
Okay. So I want to searching as so and so Tamil movies.
Right.
So I want to searching as so and so English movies. At that day, what happened? So
Yeah,
everything is available.
in the C. Yeah.
Okay. So everything is available. Then what happened? I want to checking what is the OS files, what is the
Right.
movies folder again, English movies, Kannada movies, Telugu movies, Tamil movies. Okay. So everything I want. Means how much time will be taking?
Yeah, it takes a lot of time. Yeah, because it has to search everything there. Yeah. Hello.
10 to 5 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
Same concept I'm doing here. So I want to do registration doing as a C drive. This is for only for operating system. D drive is for only for movies. So V drive is for only for videos. Okay. So D drive is for only for songs.
Right.
Okay. Now I want searching as a so and so movie. At that day, what happened? So you can directly go for data.
Correct.
Better method here. This
Yeah.
method, this method.
I mean,
I'm asking which is the better method.
the below method, yeah, definitely.
No, I'm asking which this out of these two methods, which is the better method? This method without partition, with the partition.
No, definitely with partition, definitely. No.
With partition. Because how can
Yeah.
it means the
Right.
memory is common. What is the memory
Right.
here?
Yeah.
1 terabyte only. Here also 1 terabyte. But when you go for accessing purpose, what have it cloud?
Yeah.
So means here also same thing. So we have different projects is there. In different projects you have different
Right.
servers is required. So that's why what we're doing is, so I had to install application server. I'm dividing it into different parts. We can calling as a what we calling as a instance. In normal language, you can calling as a partition. Now we can go for as a technical language. What we call calling as a instances. Okay, like the range of the particular application server. How many instances you have to configure? 100. So, sir, by default, you want is okay. I'm getting this point. Okay, 100 is okay. But during as a installation, by default, you don't give any number. By default, you want to getting as one instance number. The instance number you can calling as a 00. So, what we call you can calling as a central instance.
Okay.
Even, for example, this one time here. Even I want installing as a Windows operating system also. Okay.
Right.
So now I'm installing a Windows. So by default you're getting a CPU number 00. What
Right.
is meaning of CPU 000? So during installation you are providing any CPU number?
No. No. It is
No,
by
then how
default.
to get the 00?
Yeah, it's
Okay, why is
default.
getting? Because it's a CPU, multi CPUs are single CPU, that is utilization.
Yeah.
Okay. So same thing here. So during as SAP software installation, by default you don't do any partition. By default you want to get one partition. That partition you can calling as a
Central.
instances. What we call?
Central
So old
instance.
versions you can now old versions you can calling as a central instance.
Yeah.
Even more naming also there. So based on the priority, you can calling it pass. This one, what is that? Full form is primary application server.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So other than these two, remaining anything like 0, 20, 30, 40, how many ranges is there?
99. Yeah.
So
That-
you can calling as a other than this, you can calling as a dialog instance.
Oh, okay. Got
You
it.
can
Okay.
calling as a
Dialog server of dialog.
calling as a AS. It's nothing but additional application.
Application server. Okay. Oh, now I got it. Okay.
Okay. So now tell me my question is like one application server, okay, how many central instances is there? Okay, how many dialog instances is there? The question?
Yeah. One. There will be only one central instance and many dialog servers. As many like 0 to 99.
Range is there. Already I mentioned the range. What is the range?
0 to 99. Yeah.
No.
Huh.
Yes. Tell me.
Yeah, the range is between 0 to 99. You can give any names and you can create as many as possible.
How many dialog instances you have to configure?
One, at least one, I believe. Dialog.
So my question is the question here. One application server.
Okay.
How many central instances is there? How many dialog instances is there? Okay. Central is only one. Remaining out of 100. Out of 100, one is gone. Okay. How total range is 100. One is the central instance. Remaining how many is there?
99. Yeah.
Remaining,
99. Yeah. Dialog.
You can take anything. Okay. So dialog instances are totally 99.
99.
Central
Sorry,
instances are
yeah.
only one.
Oh, 100 minutes. Got it. Yeah.
So even in coming to latest version, you can call central instance. You can calling as a primary application server. So dialog instance you can calling as a
Additional
application server. Okay. So you want to know this, then only you can call. Okay.
Okay.
So this is simple architecture. Okay. So till now what we discussed, you have to go for presentation once again. So where you get this concept, you want to know this concept, and only you want to understand it as a remaining all concepts. It's a basic fundamental for every.
Right.
Even I think you know you are already working on SAP. So when you go for SAP, you have numbers is there. What is this number? And you think that. No, you are already working. You know even you want to log on to HANA. What we do, you have to provide host name, those details. Okay.
Right.
Now, what we understand by this diagram?
Yeah, SAP System Architecture. Yeah. Okay. The first one is there is a database server, there is a presentation server, that is user interface,
Yes.
and the application.
Yeah. This overall for what is those are is a application.
Application layer, yeah, and the database
the
layer.
R by 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the R by 3. This. Okay.
Right.
See. And okay, fine. This is a discussion later.
Yeah.
Okay. Now again, I want to get the talk. What is meaning of one-tier configuration? What is meaning of two-tier configuration? What is meaning of three-tier configuration?
Right. Yeah. The same thing.
One of the question. So what is a one-tier configuration?
It's only the front end, the presentation layer. The two
See the diagram properly. See the diagram properly. The wrong answer. So everybody is thinking like one tier is nothing but R by 1. Don't compare it. Yes.
Okay. This tier is different than okay.
Tier is nothing but system arrangement based on your layer. So this is a SAP R by 3 one tier configuration.
Oh, okay. Only database, application, presentation process. Oh, everything will be in the one server.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, everything will be in one server. Yeah.
Okay, this is the one tier. What is meaning of two tier?
Two tier is like there is a presentation layer, but the application and the databases are on the same tier.
That means presentation is one system and
database and application and
is a one more system, second system.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, three tier.
Yeah, three tier is everything is separated. I mean, all the servers or the presentation layer is different, and application and the database.
Yeah. Now tell me best example for three tier configuration.
Best example, three tier. Okay. Whatever we have is a three-tier application. You want to tell one application, which one? The bank.
No. I'm asking any best example. You do real-time dot of daily or using Facebook. Okay.
Yeah, Facebook.
Okay. For example, we're installing as all presentations.
Everybody, on the mobile or somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And application Facebook servers are different. India server is different. UK server is different. Okay, the Facebook servers are different, and database is centralized.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. For example, even the best example is Google. So how to search a Google? How we can search in daily Google? Just I want to go for Google, www.google.com.
That's the browser.
Okay. Yeah. What happened? By default, what action is getting?
Google. Yeah.
Action is getting.
Yeah, that zone, right? India, US.
What extension is getting? Suppose I'm looking in Australia.
Yeah.
What extension is getting? I'm searching normally this. But when it is searching, what happened?
It goes by the region where you are located, right?
Yes. How in a system is I'm looking in India, US, and UK. Those.
Oh yeah, that one. I don't know. Based upon.
No. I like that. It's based on the IP
address. Yeah.
Okay. So here, this is the centralized, and these all are the servers. Right. India server, US server, UK server, Australia server, and Singapore servers. Right. So these all are the servers. Application server. Database is centralized.
Right.
Okay. So that is the configuration of this. Okay.
Okay.
Tail configuration is nothing but based on the. Most of the guys are confusing this only. Don't confusing this. Okay.
Right.
So
Right.
now the question right here. SAP. Don't first when you ask confusing, you say the definition everything in one like that. No, that's different. SAP R by 3 one tail configuration means so everything is available in one system. Means
One
suppose
system,
I have one computer is there.
right.
In my computer, what I'm doing is I had installed 3 layers. What are 3 layers?
The
One
application,
computer,
yeah.
yeah, presentation layer, application layer, and database layer. Everything installing as a one computer. That is called as a one-tail
One higher
configuration.
application.
Okay. What is meaning
So
a two-tail configuration?
this presentation layer is different, but application and database will be in
One
one layer.
computer is available into the presentation.
Yeah.
Okay. One level. Okay. Second system will be available into the
Yeah.
application plus
And
database. Okay. So next one, SAP R by 2. So for the three-tier, what are these? What is the meaning of three-tier configuration?
it's entirely all the 3 layers will be different, separated in one.
Yeah. Okay. Presentation is available. So now tell me in office, you're working in SAP now. So in office, what type of configuration using now?
We have R by
One tier
3,
or two-tier and three-tier?
three tier.
So three-tier. Where is the presentation layer?
Where the presentation layer is, I mean, all the bank applications, what they use, web-based, I think, web-based. Also, we
No,
have
I'm asking like in our company, you're working in SAP, how basis consultant give you the access to you?
only the database related thing. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, database. No, no. And these are questioning here. Questioning here. Okay, now in our office, so you're using office laptop.
Right.
Okay. In office laptop, what happened? Basis consultant, they're installing a server details and everything. Then you log in the. So means presentation is installing in your computer.
Right.
Okay.
Yep. Yep.
Through internet, you can access the application. Where the servers are located in our company, your main head office.
Right.
And three
Okay.
database is also centralized. Maybe where global is means you're using data.
Right.
Okay. Now here, when an institution gets how to the providing is nothing but that is a two-tier configuration.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now we're installing GUI. Where is installing GUI?
I installed on my computer. Yeah.
Yes. Then how we can access? You have to get the application server database details. You can access
Right.
this.
Right.
Okay. Means this is a two-tier. Means there's a system arrangement.
Right.
Right, clear? Yeah, okay. So now what we understanding for this diagram?
This okay. Yeah, this is part of the central instance where the okay.
The application servers are divided. There is a central instance.
Okay.
I will give the example this also. Okay. And next one. And diagram. So one application servers will be having divided into the central instance as well as the Dialog instance.
Yeah. Additional server.
Yeah, additional application server. Okay. So now we come into here. So how the user is log on? So you have 3 layers is there. So as a user, how you can log on? Even if a bank has, so how you can log on? How to check your account balance? Is nothing but first of all, I had to log on to presentation. So see the arrow mark. Presentation to where we log on? You have to log on to application.
Yeah.
In application layer, who are take the request? The request is taken by the. So you have one component is that the component you can calling as a dispatcher.
Okay.
Typical dispatcher.
Got
So the meaning of dispatcher is nothing but to fetching the all user requests.
Okay.
Who are login? That all user requests is fetching into here only. The purpose of is catching, like is umpire. So you are playing cricket now. In cricket, what happened? You want to go for any bowling, compulsory. What happened? The catches is maintained by the backend keeper. Okay.
Okay.
The keeper is the dispatcher. Best is nothing but fetching the all requests. Whatever balls is coming from presentation, who are logging, coming to application, who take the request. The request is taken by the dispatcher. Okay. So after dispatcher, who take the request? Again is going. So dispatch we have one part. The part you can calling as a queue. What is the meaning of queue? Why you want to stand in queue?
because I mean,
First in, first out.
yeah,
Okay.
okay.
So what is the request? This out of 5 is the everybody fighting. I'm getting first. I'm getting first. The priority is given by the queue only. This is given by the okay. This is the queue will be priority. So why I'm standing queue is nothing but who are standing in first, those who get the result.
Okay.
First in, first out.
First, yeah, before.
First is go for first out. Okay. So after that, see this decision. This is it. See the arrow mark now again.
Yeah.
So how that's so first of all what happened? So the request is log on to presentation. Where we log on? Presentation log on to application. Application who take the request? The request is taken by the dispatcher. After dispatcher, who take the request?
Request queue.
Request taken by the queue. After queue is assigned so and so. I will explain later. What are the D? Okay.
There.
So after that, so and so we can programming. After this, communicating with the database.
Database. Okay.
Then database. What happened? You want to after the data will be retrieved from the database. Again, you want to get the response.
Okay.
Response to the again D. After that, again to the
Dispatcher.
Dispatcher to again
to the requester. Yeah. I mean, the presenter. Yeah.
This is the means overall college means just assume as a human body also R by 3 architecture. Entire human body also R by 3 architecture. Okay. Here in human body, what is the presentation layer here?
I mean,
okay. So your human body has a presentation because I say face.
Yeah.
Face is the presentation layer.
Okay.
If you want to, you are crying or you're laughing, everything is presenting into their face only. Face is the presentation. Okay. Anybody slapping you.
Right.
Okay. So how much response you getting?
Right.
So very good. First of all, so anybody slapping you, that will be presentation or hitting. After that, the request is go for into the. First of all, you will go for entire body into the. So after that is go for brain. Brain is the here database.
Okay.
Okay. Remain entire body, the hands, movement, everything is go, backbone, everything is go for application server only.
Okay.
Okay. First of all, the request is going to the application server. Means your body to the brain. Brain is the database.
Right.
Again, brain give the response. Okay, again you want to give it. Like you want the response. Okay, again what happened? Database you want to get the response to the application. After that what happened? Hand will be raised. Okay? Or else you want to get the raised will be get the TS. Means reaction is came or not? Means that is the application server. Either will be hand will be raised, either will be where we can see the response. The response is changing the face only.
Face only, yeah.
So you are laughing or crying or else you are hungry, so everything is made by the face only. So this is also R by 3. Okay, fine.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is the system. Now again, this is the old architecture. Now we say central instance, dialog instance. Na? So same thing till now what we discussed when you go for the latest versions.
Okay.
Same thing, naming only changing. So don't go confused, just okay, till now what this is the last article.
No.
What we understanding for this diagram?
Okay.
Why I'm asking because just know what we discussed, just recap purpose. Okay.
Okay.
So now see this diagram, what we understanding.
These are the applications.
I think you can newspaper, so that see this. Okay, see this diagram and write down a story for that. What happened? Like that. Because I don't know for the guys, what happens? Some guys are sleeping. At that time, I want to know some response from them. Yeah. Okay. What happened? Tell me. It's okay for you, or else I don't ask the questions.
No. It's good. It's good.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. So this is like I think it's like a high level this thing on what are all the SAP components and what are the flavors in the SAP systems. I mean.
Yes.
Right.
That's exactly correct. So means by using as a SAP software, what type of application it all? These are the applications.
Right.
Again, you want running as a ERP application. Under ERP, again, what are the components? Modules.
Right.
Okay, like SAP, ECC, KW, these are all modules. Okay, this is simple diagram. It's one meaning, only one word meaning. Okay.
Yep.
Now, coming to this diagram, what we understand this diagram, just now only discuss.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is like the latest version of HANA.
Okay, that's okay. Now we have go for architecture level. This is also architecture level only. So
yeah,
here,
application.
just we are discussing. Application servers are divided into two types. What are two types here?
Yeah, because as a ABAP and as a Java. Yeah, there's one is T codes and another with navigation system. Yeah.
Navigation.
Yeah.
Okay, so this application for ABAP we want running as a simple finance, simple logistic goes. Okay, this is for portabilities, enterprise for EP module. Net viewer. So what we understand by this diagram?
The presentation layer, then application layer, Java. No.
Sorry.
This one?
Yes.
This one?
Yes, this one.
Yeah, again, this is, R/3 architecture only.
Yes.
And then R/3 architecture only is again.
See the difference. Again, I want to explain everything.
Yeah, presentation layer, the client application layer in the both. We have both ABAP and Java based.
Yes.
On database level, I see.
The database is also same because what are the databases? So what type of server is actually they will storing as ABAP based only.
Oh, okay.
Database is common, but during its installation you have to separate it.
Okay.
This is ABAP data. This is Java data, like that. So the diagram.
Yeah.
Here also see here. So this is the GUI based. This is the portal based.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Right.
That's the big.
Right.
And what we understand by this diagram?
Two-tier, three-tier, and the multi-tier.
One-tier,
Yeah.
two-tier, three-tier, multi-tier. Multi-tier only Ethernet teams came in the picture.
1 second.
See, the one-tier is nothing but, so everything is available into the single machine. Storage is nothing but application and database in one system. Presentation is available into the one system.
Right.
The system is nothing but, so they are in different locations. Presentation is one location, application is one location, database is one location.
Online.
So servers here, multiple servers, database is centralized.
Okay.
Like let's say Google example, that is one. Okay, coming to multi-tier through internet base. Internet base. So who are logging through internet? Only internet to access multiple application servers and databases.
Oh, okay. Multi-tier. Okay. So this one is.
Nothing is it. Internet server through accessing internet.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now we want to go for as in just navigation. Understand this how we can log this. Yeah. So now what we understand by this diagram?
Okay, this is again a three-tier architecture, both based on as
see the difference.
Yeah.
So GUIs are divided into
both ABAP and Java. Yeah.
Either Windows based, either Java based, either this is for HTML based.
Right.
Okay. And what are this?
Application layer, application, primary application. Yeah, these are the into four. Yeah. There are multiple application servers. Maybe in that.
One application server, so is divided to the different instances. What are instances range?
0 to 99.
99. Okay. First time by default is getting as 00. What we call?
That is a central instance.
Or as one more naming also. What is one more naming?
Primary application server, yeah.
That's only. Zero, other than 00 remaining, anything is can calling as a
Additional application servers and this thing, yeah.
or else you can calling as a
Uh,
dialog instance.
Instances, yeah.
Okay, this is also dialog. That's why I asked the question.
Right.
One application server, how many central is there, how many dialog is there? So dialog is 99, application 21.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a overview of small architecture.
Question.
Yes.
Question. So even though we have multiple application servers in between, I mean hosts in the multiple hosts for the application server, so there will be a still a single central instance, right? I mean there is
Yes.
a single, yeah.
Yes, this is the only part. Centralized, I think is naming a centralized. Means I want to centralize. Centralized only. Like in India, how many states is there? So
No, there
29
are
is there.
right.
Okay. So central, for example, when you go for increasing as a bus fares, bus charges, RS, you have to go for as any travel expense, RTC, like a bus fare increasing. What happened? It is effective only for that particular state only.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Suppose when you're increasing as the railway charges,
Yeah, that
what
is
happened?
yeah, that yeah.
Okay. So here means central is only one, central government means state governments are different. Same thing here also.
Okay, got it. Okay, so central instance is a single thing and this thing. Yeah.
Yeah, remaining under the dialog.
Okay.
So this is a simple architecture. So then you have to go for small practical session. Here is enough. Then you go for tomorrow by that. Okay, then you have to go for practical session.
No,
Okay.
ready.
Get the server access.
Ready.
Sorry?
One more. Go back to that. Yeah. See here. Uh, Central. See, you have mentioned in host A central service instance and the primary application server.
Yes.
Uh, I thought that is the central instance is the or primary application server is the instance 00.
Yes. Meaning central instance you can calling as a primary application server in latest version. Dialog instance you are calling as a additional.
Okay.
Okay.
But what is the central services instance here?
I will explain that is later. I will explain that is later.
Later. Okay. Got it. Okay. Sounds good. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, clear now everything?
Yeah.
So now you wanted a small practical session, how we can access it. You got the server access yesterday?
No, I think he's going to send it tomorrow.
Okay. Why?
I don't know. I think because I was waiting for the bank account details and all. Because of the holiday.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm going to. Yeah, I'm going to get it today. I think today or from tomorrow. This one. This one is installed. GUI.
Yeah, there is the server details is provided by the registration only.
Okay.
Okay, once it's getting started practical session, but it's better. Without this,
Right. Yeah, understood. Yeah, understood.
Okay, then we continue tomorrow. Once we are about to repack this video, okay, we'll be continuing tomorrow for this remaining. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So ready
tomorrow. Yeah.
Hello. Tomorrow, I will not be able to take this in the morning like this for next 2 days.
No, understand. Evening. Evening is nothing but it's my morning.
Yeah, your morning. So what time is convenient for you? Your morning.
Morning is no problem. 10 o'clock is fine. 10 a.m. is open. 10 a.m. MST.
Huh?
10 a.m. AST. Means what time US? I think 9 a.m. Evening is 9 p.m.
9 p.m. 9 means no. Then it will be your
10 a.m. IST, man. 10 a.m. IST.
10 a.m. IS.
10 time is 8 p.m. Your time is
No, no. My time 9 p.m. EST means it will be 7:30. No, 7 a.m. for you actually. 7, 8, 9:30. 9:30 means it will be 7 a.m. for you.
Okay, okay. 10 o'clock?
10 o'clock means 7:30. 7:30 a.m.
Okay, no problem. No,
So
no, no.
10
8, no,
o'clock.
no. 8 o'clock, okay. After 10 is okay for you, after 10 p.m. Or before
No,
that.
it will be too late. I think after 10.
Okay, okay. 9 is okay for you. 7 o'clock I will take, no problem.
Sure,
7
huh?
a.m.
I mean,
Yeah,
sure
sure,
already.
sure.
Are you
Yeah,
sure?
sure, sure. Yeah, sure.
Okay. 7 means
7
then
o'clock,
9:30.
7 a.m.
Yeah, 7 means 9:30 will be. It will be 9:30 for me.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
7 a.m. For next 2 days. Next two
Yeah.
days only. Well, then from Thursday onwards we will keep it in the morning itself.
ठीक है. Sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Have a good day.